Have you ever wondered, what are sage essential oil benefits? What is sage essential oil good for? Where do you apply sage oil? And is a sage essential oil safe for your skin? Or even, what's the difference between Sage and Clary sage essential oil? In this video, you'll learn the benefits of sage essential oil, benefits for hair growth, sage oil for skin, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use sage essential oil, and I'll give you my top sage essential oil recipes and blends. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Stacey Paulson, essential oil educator and certified health coach. Click the subscribe button and hit the bell notification every time I upload a brand new video. Stick around to the end. I have a really great gift that you're not going to want to miss. I've been teaching about the power of essential oils for over 12 years. I'm obsessed with helping people just like you feel great so you can do that something special that you were meant to do. We found more control over our health care and have only been to the doctor once for sick care, and with 6 kids, that's saying a lot. It's been pretty recent that I've fallen in love with sage essential oil benefits. First, what is sage essential oil good for? And what are sage oil benefits? The plants harvested for sage essential oil belong to the Salvia genus. The most common strains used for oil are clary sage, Spanish sage, and common sage. Common sage originated in the Mediterranean region of Europe, where it has been popular as a flavorful herb. There have been over 30 published studies on sage essential oil benefits, and sage has long been valued in traditional medicine. It has been used as a respiratory support for coughs, healthy inflammatory response, low mood, digestive and circulatory support. Sage essential oil benefits include memory support. Modern studies have shown that both common sage and Spanish sage essential oil is helpful for improving memory and cognition. The antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties of these oils may also help support proper brain function as you age. Second, how do you use sage essential oil? You can use sage essential oil in 3 ways: topically, aromatically, and internally. When applying topically, it's recommended that you dilute it. Spanish sage usage tips include diffusing sage essential oil while studying or focusing on a task or project. It also soothes the senses. Also, you can use it in aromatherapy applications. Sage essential oil is known to stimulate and clarify the mind while exhibiting a balancing, uplifting, and soothing and strengthening effect on the senses to ease negative moods. It is known to promote a sense of attentiveness, enhance memory, and soothe discomforts of the digestive, respiratory, and female reproductive systems. Another sage essential oil benefit is to take it with water before an important conversation or presentation. Also, you can try gargling, then swallowing sage essential oil to soothe your sore throat, or rub it on your throat. Sage oil also soothes joints. You can also apply it topically as part of a mid-afternoon reset. Sage oil helps clear your mind and helps to energize you. Have you ever used sage essential oil before? Comment below. What have you used it for? So third, is sage essential oil safe for skin? Yes, when you're using sage essential oil, if it's certified pure, tested grade, it can be used internally, topically, and aromatically. When applying topically, consider diluting it with a carrier oil, especially for those who have sensitive skin. Fourth, where do you apply sage oil? You can massage it in on your stomach daily and between menstrual cycles to support healthy menstrual cycles. Put it on your wrists or the back of your neck to support proper brain function and for emotional support. Sage essential oil is known to ease muscle and joint pain, eliminate toxins, promote relief for digestive discomfort, and calm irritated skin and feet. Just put it on the area of concern. Used cosmetically or topically in general, sage essential oil is reputed to eliminate toxins, provide relief to minor skin abrasions, diminish the appearance of blemishes, and address stretch marks, sores, and swelling. Its moisturizing and conditioning properties help soothe dry and irritated skin, so rub it on these areas directly. What is the difference between sage and clary sage essential oil? Sage essential oil is commonly mistaken for clary sage essential oil. However, despite belonging to the same family of evergreen shrubs, sage essential oil and clary sage carry significant differences. So we like to think of them more like second cousins than siblings within the oil world. While sage is strong, spicy, and clarifying, clary sage is gentle and soothing with a sweet floral fragrance. I'll link in the description the Clary sage benefits. And what's the difference between common sage and Spanish sage? You may already be familiar with the delicious, bold flavor of sage, sometimes called common sage or garden sage. The sage you use in the kitchen is Salvia officinalis. Common sage's sister, Spanish sage, is Salvia lavandulafinolia. I didn't say that right. While all the sage plants naturally share similarities, each variety offers its own benefits. What's Spanish sage essential oil good for? Spanish sage is known as a cure-all essential oil in Spain. It was once believed to be a remedy against the plague and other infections. Spanish sage essential oil is one of several calming essential oils. It's used to support challenges with mood, including low mood, healthy hormone balance, proper inflammatory response, gum or skin discomfort, stress, head tension, hair growth, and many other health challenges. People thought that using Spanish sage could bring about longevity and fertility. Finally, I'll share what blends with sage essential oil, my secret sage essential oil benefits for hair growth with my exact blends, and as promised, when you stay to the end, my free essential oils guidebook. Sage essential oil blends well with bergamot, clary sage, geranium, ginger, lavender, lemon, neroli, orange, rosemary, tea tree, and vetiver essential oils. Sage essential oil benefits for hair. So used in hair, sage oil moisturizes and conditions to help soothe irritation and prevent scalp flakes, while cleansing the scalp to remove the look and feel of greasiness caused by excessive oil. Sage essential oil benefits hair by helping hair to grow faster. Sage is used effectively to improve circulation to the scalp, providing more nutrition to the hair follicles and encouraging new hair growth. A weekly application of sage essential oil is suggested to revitalize dry and thinning hair and add thickness. If I missed something or you have a question, please let me know in the comments. Now it's freebie time. Here are my favorite sage essential oil recipes. You can save this video or take a screenshot, and in the description, grab my essential oils guidebook with the top essential oils and the best way to use them. And you're welcome to join me at my next Essential Oils Made Easy online class. You can find the link down in the description. Click the subscribe button and hit the bell so you can be notified every time I upload a brand new video. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Up next, watch this video here on my secret ways to use eucalyptus essential oil.